Welcome to the World Drone Market channel. Today's video features the flight test of the CUAV X25 EVO with the SIYI RC7. The CUAV X25 EVO controller has been fully upgraded to a 10V 18V high-voltage power supply, significantly improving power efficiency. The baseboard integrates a built-in 5V15A high-power DC-DC converter, and the external interfaces support 5V12A output, providing strong support for heavy-load devices. The UniRC 77 Pro is SIYI's new generation handheld ground station designed for drones, vehicles, boats, and intelligent robots. This series supports 2.45 GHz dual-band communication with a transmission range of up to 40 kilometers. Products used in this flight test: SIYI RC7 remote controller, CUAV X25 EVO flight controller, CUAV NO4CDs. Pre-flight preparation. Power on the drone, but do not install the propellers yet. In the SIYI UniGCS ground station, unlock the motors first and check whether each motor is rotating in the correct direction. After confirming everything is correct, install the propellers. Once all pre-flight checks are completed, the aircraft is ready for takeoff. The X25 EVO is a newly launched high-performance industrial-grade intelligent unmanned system controller from CUAV. The CUAV X25 EVO adopts a groundbreaking 10V 18V wide-range power supply architecture. It features a new industrial IMU sensor matrix, 3 IMUs, 2 barometers, and an industrial-grade electronic compass, using carefully selected TDK industrial-grade sensors with high precision, strong vibration resistance, wide measurement range, low noise, and minimal thermal drift. The IIM series sensors are equipped with a high-precision constant temperature active external clock to reduce ODR errors. A dual temperature compensation system redefines sensor performance accuracy standards. Powerful performance is delivered by a high-performance H7 processor. The 4th generation tilted symmetrical damping matrix shock absorption system, combined with external fixed-ear shock absorbers, effectively reduces vibration. With CAN bus and 100 megabits per second Ethernet, it supports ESC and motor data feedback. The standard PMU2 light high-voltage high-current power monitoring module is included. It also supports 3.3V5V PWM level switching. As we can see, even with large and aggressive stick inputs, the aircraft maintains excellent stability. When used together with the SIYI RC7 industrial-grade handheld ground station, the overall experience is greatly enhanced. Remote controller test impressions. Sensitivity. The SIYI RC7 sticks are highly responsive, accurately capturing control commands for precise and refined flight control. Smoothness. Control is smooth and fluid with no noticeable latency or stuttering, delivering a very comfortable flight experience. Feel. The stick damping is well balanced, comfortable to hold, and does not cause fatigue during long periods of operation. The SIYI RC7 remote controller works perfectly with the CUAV X25 EVO flight controller, providing an excellent experience throughout this flight test. This concludes the CUAV X25 EVO and SIYI RC7 flight test. Thank you for watching. If there is more content you would like to see, don't forget to follow the World Drone Market channel. We will continue to bring you more drone equipment reviews, tutorials, and user guides. See you in the next video.